Hey guys, thanks for stopping by the channel, Salt, Pepper, and Fire, where we smoke meat, fly drones, and do all things neat. If you would you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss content anytime I post. I do thank you for coming by. Today is my first cooking video. Most people would do something that they're familiar with, but I'm gonna do something a little different. Yesterday I went by the store and I picked up some pork tenderloin. I think we're gonna smoke that today, so if you'll hang around, we'll season it and get it ready and put it on the pit. So as far as rub, we're gonna keep it pretty simple today. Just have a mixer here that came from another seasoning. We're gonna go 2 parts pepper, let's put that in the shaker there. Then we'll go 1 part salt, and then 1 part garlic. A lot of times with rubs, I mean, you can just pretty much keep it simple and still have a really good result. So that's what we'll be using for our rub today. And then here is the tenderloin that we're going to use. I picked it up at the store yesterday. Like I said, I believe it's around 2 pounds. And these cryovac packs usually have 2 separate pieces in. So I'll get this out. I'll get them cleaned off a little bit. And there's that one. And here we are with this one. As far as trimming, it doesn't look like it really needs much, but if you find any silver skin on them, it wouldn't hurt to go ahead and clean them off just a little bit and do some trimming. So I don't think we'll have to do any. So alright, now that we have these seasoned, I'm going to put them in the fridge for just a little bit and let the season soak into the meat, and we're going to go out and get the pit ready, and once it fires up to temperature, I'll bring you back and we'll put them on. Let's take a look and see what we have. Yeah, they look to be coming along pretty nice. Get some good color. Look like the bark's sitting on them pretty well, so we'll let them go for a little bit longer. We'll come back and check them. Okay, we are temping at about 146. Some places. So we're going to go ahead and pull these and get them wrapped in aluminum foil and let them rest for just a little. Hey, we just pulled this tenderloin off the grill. We put it in some foil and we let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. We're about to unwrap this foil, cut into it, and see what we have.